Well, here we are at day 4. Yay! Day 4. We have had so much fun this week. We are still studying connotations, and I hope that everyone's feeling really confident. I hope that your stories were amazing from yesterday's assignment. And so today we're going to continue practicing connotation. I'm going to share my screen with you and set you up for today's lesson. So let's see. Let me find it. Here we are. I am Mrs. Lawson. Again, I am the Language Arts Instructional Coach at Martin Luther King Jr. Middle School. The poem of the day is The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. This is a poem that is often shared with graduates and people who are moving to a different stage in life. And once I recite it for you, you'll know why. The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry, I couldn't travel both and be one traveler. Long I stood and looked down one as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. Then took the other as just as fair and having perhaps the better claim because it was grassy and wanted wear. Though as for that, the passing there had warned them really about the same. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no steps had trodden black. Oh, but I kept the first for another day. Yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by. And that has made all the difference. So what do you think that poem is about? There are two roads that it's one traveler and two roads. They can only take one, and so they have to make a choice. Is it really about the road? No. It's about what? Exactly. Choices in life. And so now you see why that's a poem that people use when they're making decisions about life and things and making choices. Because you can only travel one road and you can only be one traveler. Exactly. Very good. So there's another poem. That's poem number 4. So you have quite a few to choose from. Which one are you going to choose? I wonder. Well, let's continue with our lesson on connotation. This is what you're going to need today. You're going to need a notebook, pen and pencil. This is what you're doing. Today, I will practice my knowledge of connotations as I read a nonfiction text from Newsella. I'm going to include the link for you to go to this article on the first page of this presentation. So let's go over our vocabulary words once again. Connotation, denotation, positive, neutral, and negative. What is connotation? Exactly, the implied meaning of a word. Exactly. There are 3 types. What are the 3 types? Positive, yes. Negative, yes. And neutral. Very good. Excellent. Very good. And what is denotation? Where do we go to find the denotation of a word? Bingo, the dictionary. It is the dictionary definition of a word. Very, very good. So when we look at the positive, we know that positive words, positive connotations make us happy. Good. Neutral doesn't really evoke any emotion at all. And then negative makes us feel sad, right? Okay. So here's your assignment. Today, you will read and answer the questions on the article, Foolish Talk Leads to a Bunch of Malarkey from Newsella. Be sure to answer the 4 comprehension questions at the end of the article. And let's see. I can't get to the link from here, but I will include it on that first page so that you all can go to it and access the information that you need. Do a great job. We've been working hard all week. You've been working even harder. So I know you're going to have success. Okay? You all have an amazing, very safe day. Good luck on your assignment. The answers will also be embedded. So read, answer the 4 or 5 questions at the end of the article. And it's going to be, of course, on what we've been studying all week, connotation, and check your answers afterwards, okay? Good luck, guys, and I will see you tomorrow.